In the package, you will receive the following items. The top handle holder and the handle. The main mount piece goes on the pole and attached to your rim mount. 2 clamps. 3 clips. The end piece that attaches to your transducer. This is based on the transducer type you selected. This end here goes into the Worcester pole. I have different options for different type transducer you have. I have Livescope LVS32 and Livescope Plus LVS34, Active Target, Mega Live, or if you have just regular down imaging, just a little block, you can drill holes to be mounted on using your transom mount. A hardware bag, including all the hardware you needed, and a quick installation guide. Inside the hardware bag, you'll find the following items. The quick disconnect pin for this piece that attached to the Worcester pole. 3 thumb screws. 3 bolts. These 3 bolts go with the thumb screws. It's 1/4 inch. 1024 screws that you use to attach the rim mount for match those holes here. Two machine screws and 2 lock nuts. These are for putting together the handle piece. This is the stabilizer plate. It's 9 inches in length in total. It has 3 different hole patterns. The purple and the silver are for the amps pattern, same as on the main mount piece. This fits this round base, bow in both directions, lengthwise or turned around 90 degrees. The third hole pattern are those 4 outside corner green ones. They are for Scotty's rod holder hole patterns. This piece is optional. It will really lock your pole in place once you slide into those slots. You can adjust to fit your own need. This stabilizer plate is a fixed mount that sits in between your deck and the rim mount on your boat. You will need to unscrew it to remove it. For detailed installation video of the pole mount and the stabilizer plate, please visit my YouTube channel. I'm just starting this channel right now, so for every 200 subscribers, I will randomly draw a person's name to receive a $100 e-gift card to my website, ggfishing.com. Good luck and happy fishing! Now I will show you how to assemble everything onto your Worcester pole. You will need the following tools. And number 1, the Worcester pole that you purchase. I like this pole because it's very simple to extend and collapse. And it's hexagon shape. It will never go out of alignment with your handle. A 1/4 inch drill bit, a screwdriver with Phillips head, hammer, and this punch, or you can use a channel lock plier. This is for removing this tip. We don't need this piece. First step, let's remove those screws to remove this tip. Sometimes this piece comes right off. As you can see, I just pulled it off. But sometimes it will need a little bit of persuasion. You can use a channel lock plier, grip it, pull it out, or sometimes I will use this punch, hold this little edge here, and use a hammer to punch it out. However, you can get it out. Now this piece is removed. We will need to enlarge this hole right here to be 1/4 inch. Use a drill bit. Next, remove the rubber piece. You can use either a spray nozzle from air compressor or use a knife, slice it open. Next, assemble these 3/4 inch bolts and thumb screws onto those 3 pieces, the main piece and the 2 clamps. Just make sure it's loose. Make it loose for now. Put that aside. Can attach the handle to the handle holder. Machine screw and the lock nut. Fit the lock nut in this spot and then push through the machine screw and use screwdriver to tighten. While holding with your finger, pushing this nut. Next, we can put everything onto the pole. Bottom piece go on first. This is not really required. When you're on the water, you will see. Just slide over. The main piece, slide over. Top one, flip it so that this piece is low. Like this. Next, put this rubber piece back on to cover the top. You don't want this piece to pop out when you try to close this too far. See, like this, it will pop off this spring. I already trimmed this piece. You can decide whether you want to trim or not. Put the handle piece on. Fold it. Now install this piece with the lock nut and the screw. Don't tighten too much yet. We need to align this with your transducer. After you enlarge to this 1/4 inch hole, all you need to do is grab this whole piece, slide in. To secure this, grab this quick connect pin. That's it. These cable clips, they just snap right on. For Garmin Livescope LVS32 model, an active target. To attach to your transducer, you will need your shoulder bolt and the rubber. This is part of your factory package from your manufacturer. This piece goes in here and then attached to your transducer. Do not over tighten, also be hard to rotate. For Garmin Livescope Plus, you will need this long piece of knob. This is also part of your factory package. Using this long piece, go through one side, goes through here, then attach to the inner piece. This piece has the nut inside for this thread. To rotate to different mode on LVS34, you need to just loosen this bolt a little bit, rotate, and lock in, just like the factory model. For Humminbird Mega Live, you will need the factory little screw and the lock nut. This is just an example. I do not have that transducer. When you tighten this piece onto your transducer, do not over tighten like the instruction from the factory, because they have a metal piece that rotates. This will use the groove to rotate. Tighten down just enough so that this piece can still rotate on your transducer. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. On GG Fishing, there's a message app. To win one of the 5 $100 e-gift card to ggfishing.com, you only need to do 3 simple things: like, subscribe, and leave a positive comment below. I am totally new to YouTube, so please be kind. Thank you. To subscribe to this channel, you can simply use the icon at the bottom right corner of this video. One thing you need to make sure is that your subscriptions are public. That's the only way I can verify that you are a subscriber and like this video. As you can see here, I have 6 subscribers right now. When I click on View All, only 2 are visible. If you are selected to be a winner and your name is not visible on this list, you'll be forfeiting the $100. A new winner will be selected. So please make sure that your subscriptions are public. It's very easy. Let me show you how. This can only be done on a computer though, not on a mobile device. First, open a browser and log into your YouTube account. Now, click on your profile picture on the top right corner select Settings. From the left menu, choose Privacy. Now, turn off this toggle for option Keep all my subscriptions private. Making sure this is off. That's it. There will be total of 5 winners. First winner will be selected when 200 subscribers are reached. The winner will be randomly selected from the list of commenters of this video. When 400 subscribers are reached, a second winner will be selected. Third winner is selected at 600, fourth winner at 800, and fifth winner at 1,000 subscribers. So you got 5 chances to win. Good luck to everyone and happy fishing!